hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to be doing something unique. Well, if you have seen my other videos, I mainly do some maths videos, sometimes science experiments, and recently I also did fish. I made a fish from eggshells. You can see that video. If you wish to see that video, you can go on the iCard and see that video. But today we are going to be, as I said, doing something unique. So today we are going to be making puchka, a little snack, little Bengali snack. I don't know it's Bengali or something, but it's definitely a snack, evening snack, more to be like specific. So like my mom made all the preparations in the morning, and my mom is like sleeping as it is it's afternoon time, and bhat ghum. So I was also sleeping and I just woke up a little bit early, and I thought like, why don't I surprise my mom? So I will also record that video, and I just like did a same kind of video like this. Sorry, a same kind of video like this. I guess it was my second video on my channel. You can check out that video as well. Now let's get started with today's topic. So as you can see, these are all the things needed. So it's a table full of ingredients here. So basically the main ingredient puchka. So you can either get it buy it online, or well offline, it's like bought anywhere, you will just get it, and or also you can just make it at home. I will also share this recipe with you whenever I have time. And this is aloo, as you can see, not aloo, like mashed potatoes, and this is a chutney, or you can say kind of a sweet dish, but not exactly a sweet dish, a sour sweet dish to be specific. And this is like a water which we eat with the puchka. So this water, it has like the tamarind and lemon, okay, Gondoraj lemon and pudina leaves. And so basically this is some curd or doi, and this is some chanachur or like bhujia type thing. And so this is also kind of a snack. Now let's get started with making these puchka. So basically, first of all, I will just do this, and I will put the mashed potato in this. I will just hold. Forget it, I will just do it with hand. It's really hard to do it with the it's really hard to do it with the spoon. I assure you that my hands are clean. I just washed them. I will eat these only. So now what I will do is I am going to be giving give the tamarind chutney, as I said. Okay, now as I have given the tamarind chutney, now what I will do is give some of the bhujia. I will just spread it with my hand only. And now I have given that, and now what I will do is take this water, and I'm just gonna be checking, like eating it. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys. So basically it has turned out really beautiful. And this one I didn't give the curd, I just ate it with only water. Now I'm going to be just, I just tasted the thing. Now I'm going to be just like decorating the whole plate, and then I'm going to be giving it to my parents. Now I I wash my hands again, and now I will just do this first of all. So as you can see, the crispy sound was coming from them. And now I will take this aloo and I will just give it. So I also forgot to tell you that I also have given chili in this mashed potato. If you want, you can not, if you don't like chilies, you don't have to give chilies. But I and my parents both like chili, not too much, but moderate, in a moderate way. So I have just given some of the chili, and I prefer chili as in puchka because it doesn't taste good or bland. So it's a really time-taking process, as you can see, and my hands are also getting really messy. And I have to wash my hands again. My hands, I don't know what will happen to my hands if I wash it so many times. I'm continuously washing it. So this was a rocket shaped puchka, I don't know, it just forms weird shape. And the last but not the least, I have also put this one. So as I said, now I will wash my hands again and then I will do the rest of the things. So now I will take this one, and now first of all I will do what is I will add the curd, okay? So basically it's not fitting in here, so I will just keep it here and do it. So I am putting in the curd, as you can see. So basically this is also homemade curd. My mom had made it. So now I will give the tamarind chutney. I prefer not to give too much, the tamarind chutney, but a little bit is okay. Eeks, it's dripping. So let me just do that so that it does not drip all over. Anyways, so I have now given that, and now as you all know, I will just give the bhujia. And now I have given the bhujia, and I like to give a lot of bhujia, so I will just give a little bit more. So as you can see, I have given the bhujia. Now since this one I gave curd, the last one I only had it with water. Now this one I will taste, and the rest I will give to my parents, and they will decide what to eat or what to not. So this one is absolutely good as well. Both are really good. Now I will give them to my parents because I feel like I will eat all of these if I keep making the video. So hope you guys like the video. So now I will just call my parents, and they will eat curd puchka, or well, the tamarind water puchka, whatever they want. Now I have already eaten a lot, as you saw, so I am just going to be saving some for them, and they are also going to be eating. Now if you like this recipe and you want to repeat it in home, subscribe and like and share the video so more of your friends can know about this amazing and cool recipe. Thank you for watching.